Number 14. The graph shows the concentration of maltose in different parts of the alimentary canal. What causes the change in concentration at X? So here you can see that maltose concentration gets increased as the food molecule travels from the mouth, stomach, and to small intestine. Then suddenly you can see the maltose concentration gets decreased. This means that maltose molecules are being broken down. So what are the enzymes that break down the maltose or maltose molecules? They're called maltases. Hence the answer should be C. So maltose gets broken down by maltase. Sucrose gets broken down by sucrases or sucrase. And lactose gets broken down by lactase. So it's quite common that the name of the enzymes have ASE. Okay? And when maltose gets broken down, it gets broken down into glucose molecules. When sucrose gets broken down, it becomes glucose and fructose. When lactose gets broken down, it becomes glucose and galactose. Okay? So, anyways, the answer for this question is C.